Good morning. My name is Lara Kraidi, and I'm gonna be taking you with me through discovering the first clinical scenario through Medline. The question I'm gonna be discovering is, in teens trying to quit smoking, is cognitive behavior therapy more effective than nicotine replacement therapy? So the outcome we're gonna be exploring is smoking cessation, and the intervention is cognitive behavioral therapy, and the thing we're gonna compare it to is nicotine replacement therapy. So I'm gonna begin with going to the Medline website. Choose this one, and I'm gonna search for the first mesh, the outcome, which is smoking cessation. I'm gonna click on this mesh. Okay, so I'm also interested in smoking reduction, tobacco use cessation. So I'm gonna click also these because they convey the same meaning. And there's an or here. Let's pay attention to that. Okay, so the intervention, which is the other mesh, is cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. I'm gonna click on this mesh. Okay, so we got sub meshes under it. Acceptance and commitment therapy, cognitive restructuring, and mindfulness. So I'm also interested in the submeshes, so I'm gonna explode cognitive behavioral therapy and continue. This brought us to the subheadings page. There are no subheadings which we are interested in particular, so I'm gonna include all of them. Okay, the third mesh is the comparison, the thing we're gonna compare to the cognitive behavioral therapy, which is nicotine replacement therapy. Okay, so we didn't get nicotine replacement therapy per se, but tobacco use cessation devices conveys almost the same meaning, so I'm gonna press it. Okay, we got a submesh under it, so I'm gonna explode it because I'm also interested in its submesh and continue. Also include all subheadings. So as you can see, we got the three meshes, the main meshes we want to explore. And now I'm gonna search for keywords pertaining to the third mesh, which is nicotine replacement therapy, because there are many modalities for nicotine replacement, such as nicotine gum, nicotine spray, nicotine lozenge, and others. So I'm gonna start with the first one, nicotine edge to gum, because it could be nicotine chewing gum or nicotine gum. And because it's a keyword, I'm gonna remove map term to subject heading. Okay. The second keyword is nicotine edge to spray, because it could be nicotine nasal spray or nicotine spray. The third one is nicotine inhaler. Nicotine patch. I'm gonna put a star so that it can give me patch or patches. And also nicotine inhalator. And nicotine lozenge. Also with a star, so that can give me lozenge or lozenges. Okay, so I'm gonna expand to see all our searches so far. We've got 9. So here, it's important to know that in our article, we want to have at least one modality for nicotine replacement therapy. So I'm gonna put or for all the things under nicotine replacement therapy, because I don't need them to be all included in my final search. So I'm gonna put or okay. And in my final search, I want to have the three meshes included. So that would be, I want one to be included, the outcome, the two, which is the intervention, and number 10, which is at least one of the nicotine replacement therapy modalities. So I'm gonna put and for here. Okay. Now I want to limit. Okay, so I'm gonna limit my search in regard to the age of my population. As we know, the question we're exploring is in teens who are trying to quit smoking. So our population will be made up of adolescents. So I'm gonna limit. And also the outcome we're exploring is which is better as a therapy for to be able to quit smoking. So I'm gonna limit it also to become only therapy. So in the age group, I'm gonna choose adolescents because we're talking about teenagers. And in clinical queries, I'm gonna choose therapy to maximize sensitivity. I'm gonna limit my search. Okay, so as you can see, here we got 15 articles after all this extensive search in Medline to explore which is a better option or better treatment modality to be able to quit smoking. We compared the intervention, which is cognitive behavior therapy, to the to nicotine replacement therapy, and explored which is more effective in offering us the outcome of being able to quit smoking. So that was it. Thank you very much.